Hi everyone, this is Al. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. What? Can you see what it is? Welcome back. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. Last Friday was my birthday. I just turned 37. So my wife, she bought me an amazing present and I don't know what it is. So I realized that why don't I just unbox it and have an amazing surprise for me and for you. Without any further delay, let's get right to it. So I have this box. It says do not open. I hope it's not for me. There's some batteries, so I think it has to do with some kind of electronics. Over here there is some barcodes. It says assembled in China. Now there's only one company that I know. Not waste any more time. I got my knife and I am just gonna go ahead and boom. Oh, look at that sound. Sounds really good. Now I have opened this and I open that. I wanna, oh, really, my wife, she really loves me. Maybe you guys can take a peek. Let's see, the packing looks pretty good. And wow. So look, he's back. This box I don't need. Let's see what we have here. Okay, it's MacBook Pro 13-inch. Space gray. I like the space gray color. The specs is 2.0 gigahertz, 16 GB RAM, and it comes with 1 terabyte hard drive. And now, this is the best part. I'm gonna open it slowly. Slowly. Apple makes such an amazing product. Wow, look at the box. They really put a thought into making a box. Even the box will last you for a long time. But one thing about Apple products, they have a very good resale value. Now, wow, it is so slim. This is the size of my knife, right? And I'm gonna put it side by side. You see? My knife is fatter, and then you always want to check, make sure there is no wear and tear. It wasn't opened before. You want to check the screws. Looks pretty new to me. Let's set this here. It looks like USB-C to USB-C cable. And the best part about this computer is that you have 4 Thunderbolt C USB-C ports. So let's see what we have here. It has normal instruction manual. I wonder what kind of sticker they gave. Oh yes, they do give you space gray Apple logos. Something different, because all these years you only got white. I have nothing against white. Sometimes having a little change is pretty good. Then we have this plug, and I believe this is the USB-C power adapter, 61 watt. So far it looks really good. Yeah. So let's put these aside. It smells good too. It smells like new computer. Let's go ahead and open this. Yes. Yeah, looks pretty good. Doesn't have any scratches or anything, but you never know. You just have to check. Looks good. Looks really good. Let's open up the screen. This is the screen, and they have this screen cover. Looks pretty good. The trackpad is much more wider. It comes with a touch bar. You can touch it. There is a fingerprint sensor. My wife, she also bought this protective case. Let's open. This is actually clear cover. I think she made a very good decision buying a clear cover. There is something so satisfying opening something new. First, So you got yourself a keyboard protector. It actually prevents from in case if you spill water. Then we have this clear cover, which is good. And this is the monitor cover for the back. This is the screen protector for your Mac, so that you don't get scratches. This is all I have for you folks today. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you have any suggestions, please put it in comments. Please feel free to subscribe. So stay tuned, stay in touch, and be blessed and stay safe. Take care.